This video, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning coaching template for your own business when you build it inside GoHighLevel. As you can see, we have created a stunning template for one of our clients who is a coach, who's kind of a master coach and has been using GoHighLevel to kind of sell their own coaching program and the GoHighLevel white label SaaS program. And that has been working really well. But they wanted to create a standardized template which they can add and give to all the coaches and creators so that they can use it for their own appointment booking system. And if you're someone who is in this industry, you'll probably find this very interesting. If that's the case, then make sure that you watch the entire tutorial on basically a walkthrough video understanding how to do it, because this is not just one long landing page of coaching. Rather, this is a 6-step, it's a multi coaching, lead generation, appointment booking, qualification funnel that I'm going to teach you in my YouTube video. So make sure that you watch that video till the end because this is going to be pretty interesting for you. Thank you so much.